the top for us tonight, it's one big step in suicide prevention. New signage is scheduled to be installed this week along the walkway to the Harbor Bridge.
Now, the signs are intended to act as a tripwire for people who might be going through a personal crisis, to remind them in those urgent moments there is help. Our Bill Churchwell spoke with the folks who are responsible for the new signs and joins us now with the story. Bill?
This all started as an idea to help prevent suicides in our area. According to NAMI Greater Corpus Christi, last year there were over 60 suicides in Nueces County alone, the ages ranging from 14 to 86. These signs being put up, a first in a series of steps being taken throughout the Coastal Bend regional crisis initiatives. We can help you cross this bridge, a powerful message that will now greet people as they begin their trek up the Harbor Bridge.
You have more options and choices than you think.
Senior Officer Sean Barnes is the crisis coordinator for CCPD. He came up with that thought-provoking message inspired by some of the measures other cities are doing to improve the way mental health emergencies are handled.
Made me think how many folks I've talked off our bridge and just kind of felt like, man, we really could use that kind of thing if it might act as that tripwire for them.
Barnes says it's been a long process, but he felt determined to get the signs up, partnering with the different agencies who spearhead crisis intervention efforts, organizations like NAMI.
I've got goosebumps.
JD Leza is a volunteer with NAMI, but he also knows what it's like to battle something alone. He says it's important for folks to know there is help.
I heard Officer Barnes mention that there was going to be 8 of these signs on each side of the bridge on the pedestrian path, so somebody's going to see it going forward, they're going to see the next one, they're going to see the next sign. It's going to be a constant reminder to them that they're not alone, that there is help, that there are resources.
The signs will be placed at the entrances to the bridge as well as the very top. On them, national and local crisis numbers.
People can call that number, get somebody here locally who can assess, and then dispatch some of our local workers.
Andrea Kovarik says MHID can help a person experiencing suicidal thoughts get immediate help.
Being able to increase our crisis services is having a walk-in clinic. So when we do have somebody in crisis, they're needing immediate attention, we can get them in to see a doctor within 15 minutes after completing an assessment, which is unheard of.
Everyone involved hoping the signs will get across to someone who needs support the moment they need it.
From someone who's been suicidal a few times in her life, I think it's great. It's not so much dying that you want to do, it's the pain that you want to get rid of. And I think it would have stopped me in my tracks.
Now, Officer Barnes also hopes the signs can help prevent large-scale emergency response to the Harbor Bridge for crisis calls, which has shut down the bridge to traffic in the past. The signs are expected to be installed tomorrow.